Welcome to AI Factory.
What could possibly go wrong? Okay, maybe not exactly what I
Disney and
expected.
Pixar-style animations have always been a traffic magnet. In my previous tutorials, how to create viral 3D Bible animations for social media and creating viral animation shorts for social media with free AI tools, I have introduced how to create 3D Pixar-style animations. If you are interested, you can check them out on my channel. Disney holds a special place in everyone's childhood memories. Whether it's a Disney princess image or Disney-style animation, it always generates a massive response and attracts a surge of traffic on every platform. In today's video, I'll show you how to use beginner-friendly AI tools to create your own unique AI Disney animation video. Create the script using Chat GPT. I input the following prompt into Chat GPT, and it quickly generated a script for us. The main character is a cute 16-year-old princess named Tina. Unexpected events unfold at her birthday party. This trailer script not only contains the storyline but also includes comprehensive information such as the voiceover and narration. I used ChatGPT to create image prompts for the storyboards, allowing me to refine and enhance the prompts based on its suggestions. It quickly provided prompts for 7 images. Using Leonardo AI to generate images. Leonardo AI is a popular AI drawing tool that can produce stunning images. It offers a daily free quota of 150 points. By visiting the Leonardo official website, I can explore numerous images generated by other users. If I find a model I like, I can generate images directly using that model. For instance, I can create a 3D animation character in the style of Pixar or Disney with a single click. Alternatively, I can select a suitable preset on the generation page. In this case, I chose the Leonardo Phoenix model with image dimensions set 16:9 ratios, keeping other settings unchanged. Now, let's set the prompt formula. The protagonist of the image plus the protagonist status, including poses, clothing, locations, content, etc. Since we are creating an image of a Disney princess today, the keywords for the raw image should focus on the princess's appearance and characteristics. Focus on the image prompt here. To maintain consistency in all images of the main characters, this initial prompt is essential. For future scenes, we must use the same prompt. Using the generated image prompt, I refined it by including detailed descriptions of the princess's appearance and characteristics. Put my prompt to Leonardo AI. Click Generate, waited a few seconds, and 4 beautiful images emerged. Following the formula of the protagonist of the image plus the protagonist's status, I pasted the second prompt and generated it. The second image appeared shortly and selected the best one to download. Satisfied with the results, moved on to the next scene. This time, the hall descended into chaos, filled with purple smoke, and guests screamed in fear. We applied the same method to generate the remaining images. Leonardo AI excels at image generation, especially for Disney and Pixar-style visuals. Alright, let's create the video using the images. Today, I will demonstrate using Pixverse. First, visit the Pixverse homepage where you can explore various showcase examples. Sign in with your Google account or another option. Each free basic plan provides users with 130 credits. Choose Image to Video. Upload your initial images. Keep the default settings. You can enter a prompt here, but I'll try it without one this time. Then, click Generate. Alright, I've got the first video results and they look fantastic. The smooth animation is impressive. Here, you can enhance the video quality using the upscale function, so I'll proceed with that. Returning to the previous page, the upscaling process is underway. Wait for about 30 seconds. It's done. Let's check the result. Comparing the two, what do you think? Download the video files to your computer and add the next one without changing any settings. Upscale this one as well. Repeat the process for the third video, upscaling it too. Upload the next image, and this time, paste the prompt from Chat GPT into the prompt box. Click Generate. The result is excellent. Let's upscale this one. Upload the next image and paste the prompt. Click on Generate and wait a few seconds. Once all the images are generated and upscaled, proceed to the next step. After generating the video, you'll notice a Pixar watermark in the lower right corner. To remove it, use BCut. Go to the BCut homepage and click on Remove Watermarks from Video. Upload the video. Move the crop mark to cover the Pixar logo. Click Erase and download the finished video. Repeat this process for each video to remove the watermark. Next, use 11 Labs for the voiceover. In my opinion, 11 Labs is the best AI voice generator, offering a wide range of voice and tone options. Sign in an account by Google or other option. For my story, I selected 2 voices, Daniel as the narrator and Jessica as Princess Tina. After listening to all the available options, at last, we've arrived at the final stage. Video editing. Utilize CapCut, a robust video editing tool. Import all the videos and audio files, arrange them in the correct sequence, adjust the voice levels and positioning, and add background music. This will transform our project into a Disney blockbuster. Now, let's watch the completed movie trailer together.
What could possibly go wrong? Okay, maybe not exactly what I expected.
This summer, get ready for magic mayhem and a party like no other, coming soon to theaters where surprises come in all sizes.
If you'd rather skip these steps, here's a simpler way to create videos with just one click. Begin by using TinyWow to craft a story. TinyWow provides various tools for content creators, including blog generation, image and video editing, and file format conversion. Visit the TinyWow homepage, sign up with your email, and search for Story Generator. Click on it and enter a topic, up to 60 characters. After pasting your story topic, choose the number of paragraphs you want. I selected 1 paragraph for a short story, but you can choose more for a longer story. Click the Generate button, and TinyWow will create your story. Your story is now ready. Next, use Motion to create the video. Log in with your Gmail and access the homepage. The free version offers 200 credits per month and supports prompts up to 20,000 characters. Each project can have up to 16 scenes and is watermark-free, making it suitable for commercial use. This should be sufficient for most needs. You have 2 options. I chose Use My Content since I had a story from TinyWow. If you need to generate a story, click Generate from Prompt and paste the story content into the prompt box. Select the video ratio and choose English. There are 11 styles available. I selected the 3D cartoon style. Click the Generate button and wait a few seconds. Created a story with 4 scenes for me, each with a corresponding image. If you want to change an image, you can regenerate it by entering a new prompt. Next, customize your video by selecting the font for the title, subtitle, thumbnail, scene effects, transitions, voiceover, and background music. There are many voice and music options available, so take your time to listen and choose your favorite. Finally, review your settings. If you are satisfied, click the composite button to create the video. There are 3 blue buttons for download. Storyboard. Download a file that packages all the scene images and the story text. Thumbnail. Download the cover image of the story. Video. Download the final video. I have downloaded everything. Let's see the results.
Once upon a time in a magical kingdom, Princess Isabella's birthday was fast approaching. The royal court was abuzz with excitement as they planned a grand celebration fit for a princess. As the trailer for the birthday party was unveiled, It showcased enchanting surprises such as a fairy godmother granting wishes, a royal ball with dancing animals, and a dazzling fireworks display. Princess Isabella's heart swelled with joy as she realized that her special day would be filled with love, laughter, and endless enchantment.
Go back to the Generate from Prompt option. Paste your topic into the prompt box. Select the video ratio, language, English, and 3D cartoon style. Click the Generate button. The tool will create a story with 16 scenes, each with a corresponding image and title. You can add or delete scenes as needed. Click Next. Select the font for the title, subtitle, thumbnail, scene effects, transitions, voiceover, and background music. Take your time to listen and choose your favorite options. This completes the preparation for your video. Click the composite button to create the video. I have downloaded everything. Let's see the results.
In the heart of the magical kingdom of Veridonia, the castle buzzed with anticipation. Princess Tina, a spirited 16-year-old with a wild imagination, was about to celebrate her birthday in grand style. Tina's long, flowing auburn hair and twinkling green eyes set her apart. She was known for her adventurous spirit and her mischievous smile. Everyone in the kingdom adored her, especially her best friends, Oliver the talking owl, who was wise but often befuddled, and Lila, a soft-spoken but fiercely brave young baker with an uncanny ability to whip up enchanted pastries. The day began with a whimsical breakfast in the castle's floral-engraved dining hall, where pancakes stacked impossibly high and enchanted fruits danced along the table. Tina couldn't help but giggle when a strawberry jumped into her mouth. "This is just the beginning," whispered Oliver, flapping his wings with excitement. As the day unfurled, so did the surprises. Tina's father, the king, presented her with a golden telescope. "To see the wonders of the world," he declared. Tina peered through it and gasped. She saw a hidden forest glen, glowing with mystical light. Intrigued, she convinced Oliver and Lila to embark on an adventure. The friends navigated through the kingdom's lush woods, their journey filled with laughter and a few clumsy missteps, thanks to Oliver's less than stellar sense of direction. Suddenly, they stumbled upon the enchanting glen. It was truly magical, with flowers that hummed gentle melodies and a pond with water that sparkled like stars. But as Tina leaned in closer to a particularly radiant bloom, a hidden door opened nearby, revealing a secret passage. The friends' excitement turned to tension as they cautiously entered. Inside, they discovered an ancient scroll detailing a forgotten legend about a guardian dragon who protected the kingdom's greatest treasure. Just as Tina finished reading, the ground rumbled. Out came Flint, the dragon, not as fearsome as expected but rather grouchy from being disturbed. "Who dares enter my sanctuary?" he bellowed, though his voice cracked with sleepiness. In an unexpected twist, Tina's kindness shone through. "We didn't mean to intrude," she said softly. "We were just curious." Flint's eyes softened, and he revealed that the greatest treasure was actually the kingdom's unity and love. He handed Tina.
By following my tutorial step by step, even a beginner can master it. Now, anyone can create Disney-style blockbusters, something that was once unimaginable. If you liked my video and found it useful, please hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. See you in the next video.